Welcome to Mile High Living. I'm Sam Boik. Thanks for joining us today. Our beautiful state is home to some of the best views and weather in the country. So it goes without saying that Coloradans love to take advantage of their outdoor spaces. Today, we're going to start with creating a courtyard garden escape with ease in our Love Your Yard series brought to you by System Pavers. And we have Brundage here to help us out. Wonderful to have you on the show.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, tell us a little bit about System Pavers and what you guys do.
Yeah, absolutely. System Pavers is a high quality outdoor renovation company that we offer our Colorado residents who are looking to elevate their outdoor living spaces. Phenomenal opportunity to specialize in a beautiful paver patio or paver driveway. We do paver walkways, beautiful paving stone entryways that can really invite people into the home. We specialize in a lot of outdoor living products and elements like the outdoor lighting and pergolas and so forth. We offer a very comprehensive and complimentary design consultation. We follow that up with a very high-end, very high-quality and durable installation process as well. We've been in business for a little over 30 years now, so we take a lot of pride in the fact that our process is very dialed in, can offer that additional peace of mind for the clients and homeowners that we work with. We also like to make sure we're staying on top of all the evolving design trends that are happening throughout the industry. And so I think long gone are the days where people are just going in their backyard and maybe mowing it a few times a month. They're really looking to extend that indoor living area to the outdoors. And so that's what we specialize in. And I think one of the biggest design trends came a few years ago, as you can imagine, in 2020 when people really couldn't spend so much time gathering with a lot of people indoors, and so they really wanted to spend more time in the outdoors. They couldn't go on that vacation, so they wanted to have more of a staycation situation, and so that's where we come in and really able to create that beautiful outdoor living space that people can gather and enjoy the beautiful Colorado weather outside.
Yeah, well, let's talk about courtyards because this does add such an additional space for outdoor living. And so how can people sort of get started in creating this vision that they have for their own oasis?
Yeah, I think a courtyard is a great thing to consider for your property and an outdoor living oasis, just like you say. And you know, there's a large backyard, maybe it's a smaller backyard, or just an area where you're going to have a courtyard. And I think one of the first things we want to take into account is how are we getting to that area? And I think one of the best ways is with a beautiful paving stone walkway. Pavers come in so many different shapes and sizes and colors. We can do so many different designs and shapes with the walkway, but something that really brings you into that courtyard area. And to have an area that offers a certain vibe, kind of tranquility and peace. There's a lot of different things that you can do with a courtyard, and one of the things that we like to do is utilize the existing foliage and the greenery. We can add to that with some planter boxes, some additional planting areas, which is very nice. I think one of my favorite things when it comes to a courtyard is adding an additional element or two that can really make that space pop and add to that peace and tranquility. One of my favorites is a fire pit, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, we have our cooler Colorado nights sometimes, or in the cooler months, where we can gather around a fire pit, enjoy a glass of wine, maybe s'mores with kids, and just, again, a great focal point in a courtyard area. I think another one is a water feature, and a lot of people enjoy that as well. Again, we're looking for that vibe, that peace and tranquility, and so we want to maybe drown out the lawnmower. We hear a couple houses down or a little road noise, and that bubbling water feature, the flowing water feature, can just be a really nice thing to make it comfortable back there.
Well, and how about the difference between creating a private space and maybe more of like a spacious backyard design?
Yeah, and we do all of the above, and I think there's a lot of things you need to take into account, and so that's part of the process, is really learning about how our homeowners are utilizing their space. Are they looking to gather more in a large area? Are they looking to have that peace and tranquility and just maybe themselves or just a couple people? And so, you know, in a larger area, we want to put maybe multiple pieces, multiple elements back there, but in that courtyard, again, more seclusion and that cozy feel back there.
Great. And there are surely viewers out there right now that have questions about their own yard and what what maybe they should do, what's the best way for them to learn more?
I would love for them to reach out to System Pavers. They could go to systempavers.com, of course. They could also call the number at the bottom of the screen. Please check us out on all of our social media sites. You can see great pictures before and afters on Instagram and House and Pinterest.
Yeah.
Absolutely. But we'd love to come out, learn how you use your area, hear your dreams and your vision, and bring it to a reality.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, and for a limited time only, System Pavers is offering a free demolition of existing services, which is up to $8,600 in savings. So don't wait. Give them a call today at 855-663-9775 or visit systempavers.com. They paid for today's segment. Stay with us.